Thank you so much for tuning in with us today and taking a look at this video. I want to talk with you about a North Trail product. It's a Heartland manufacturer. It's a 25 bunkhouse. So that's a very good length for a travel trailer, easy to get in anywhere, and something that's well worth your consideration. So this is the 25 Bunkhouse SS, and it's a super nice unit. It's got two lovely bunks in the back corner. Each one of them have a nice window. They offer a ladder. It's got an entering closet, which could be your pantry, or it could be a good place to store a few things. Great big beautiful bathroom with storage, a nice shower, a great basin, a place to put everything. You've got a lovely horseshoe dinette, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. It's got a great big kitchen. So you've got lots of counter space, lots of storage for all of your things. And then when you step into the bedroom, you're looking at the pleasure of a king bed. Isn't that nice? Lots of storage above it, lots of storage below it. These units are really, really well insulated. They have they're being endorsed by Yeti, which is a big deal. All of your AC is ducted in. You just are in a very, very nice vehicle that will last you for 10, 15, 20 years. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope that you enjoyed the things that I was able to express about this trailer, but I will tell you one thing. Seeing is believing. You need to come out and lie down on the bed, sit down on the sofa, and see how it feels to you. What you feel and what you think is what really matters. You can give me a call. I will fill you in on all the things that I might have overlooked. My name is Barbara D. I'm with Guarantee, and my phone number is 541-521-4232.